Alright guys, we're gonna be on the i8 and we're gonna change these stock paddle shifters to a little bit longer one. So this is the left one and I'm gonna replace it with this a little bit longer, so it's gonna stick out kind of like that. This YouTuber that I watched him install it in this car, and hopefully we can get it successfully the way he did. All right, so first thing I did was the door sill. You have these two panels. I took out the panel on the top one, and you pull it and it unlatches the hood. Let's go to the other side and make sure you unplug it from the wall, because we don't want any kind of power going through the vehicle, because we are going to be messing around with the airbag, so we don't want that blowing on us. Doors up. I look for this one. Only has one on this side, so I went ahead and just take this out and make sure you don't lose it. Put it in a safe place, and we're gonna fish for the cable. This one's kind of hidden, so see this? You pull it, there it is. So now it's released, and it told us that the front compartment lid is open. All right, now in his video he said you need 2 people to do it.
Now, in order to lift the hood, you need 2 people. You need one hand up near the headlight, you need another hand back here at the back of the bonnet. So we're going to pull straight up as we tip it forward.
Right now I don't have the luxury of having another person here, so I'm going to try single. So what he did was he went ahead and grabbed it from the back side there, so I'm gonna give it a shot here. So I was able to prop it up by myself. It's not too bad. I just kind of grab from the middle, lifted it up, and I made sure that I had access to this whole section so I could put this screwdriver to hold it in place. Now that goes to tell you that BMW doesn't really want you messing around inside here. So the only thing I'm doing right now, I'm kind of cleaning up all these little debris inside the compartment, because I ended up parking underneath this like fir tree and started dropping all the stuff. And also while I'm here, it seems like that the body here hasn't gotten any kind of love. So we're gonna clean this bad boy up a bit. All right. Okay, so we got our 10mm socket. Close the door all the way, because it would have never powered up to open. So, because the key is useless right now. Jeez Louise, don't do that, please. Okay. So inside here, there's a, back here, in the back of the steering wheel, there's a hole that I need to push through. You look for something like what he used was an Allen wrench to push through, because I think it's just a spring clip. There was no hole there, so I presumed there was an indentation, so I ended up just pushing my Allen wrench through, and it released the airbag. So you take this out right here. My Allen wrench goes in that hole, right? And you gotta make sure that you kind of follow that trajectory, because once you get in there, look up top right there. That's the spring that holds these from your airbags. And then when you push it, Okay, so all we're doing right now is taking out that Torx. It's a T20. Alright, so nothing really cool to see here, but... Okay, so from Pat's video, he said there's going to be a hole right there. That's a rod that's holding the pivot point. So I'm just going to use a little skinny Allen wrench to try and push it out. So I was able to take out the rod. Sorry, that rod's in my mouth. There's that rod. So anyways, there's where the rod hooked up to. And now we just all need to do is hook up the kind of a pain in the ass. But now we need to put it back. We're just gonna screw it in right now, okay? But look at the side there. That's stock. That's cool. Well, the airbag clicked back in, and we have the paddle shifter. The downshift's on the left. The plus sign means upshift, downshift, and that's how she looks, man. Okay, that wasn't really too bad, you know. I think it kind of just makes it a little bit more sportier by having that, especially with the blue trim that I have on my steering wheel. Look how cool it matches that this aircraft grade aluminum. All right, man. So anyways, I'm gonna put everything back to where it was before, and that should be it. Wow, that wasn't too bad, really. It wasn't too bad, actually. The one thing that I want to do next is I do want to have Apple CarPlay in here, and bimmer-tech is selling a Apple CarPlay unit that I can attach to here, which that thing, I don't know, it looks much more scarier when you're installing it, because one of the warnings, it says like mortal danger. You have to unplug the main battery. So we'll see. Plus it's really pricey, man. I think it's at $675 for the unit for the CarPlay. Is it worth it for the CarPlay? I don't know. You guys give me a comment in below if you guys have CarPlay, and you know, if you stand by it, because the only CarPlay car I have is my Alfa Romeo. And it's cool, you know, but is it worth $675? I don't know. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate everything that you guys do for me and supporting me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue getting you guys some content out there. This is Joker88. We'll talk cars again later. Bye-bye.